Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The Congress on Friday wrote to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg demanding an internal inquiry into the functioning of Facebook India. It alleged that the platform in India is biased towards the ruling dispensation despite its proclivity for sharing hate speech, misinformation, fake news and inflammatory content. The main opposition party had written twice to Zuckerberg last year as well, raising questions on the neutrality of Facebook's India team. This came after a report by the Wall Street Journal that the company's policy director for India, South and Central Asia, Ankit Das, had, citing businesses' imperatives, opposed applying hate speech rules at least 4 individuals and groups linked with BJP despite the fact that they were flagged internally for promoting or participating in violence. In October last year, Facebook announced that Das was leaving the firm. The fresh letter by the Congress comes amid reports that the Facebook management between 2018 and 2020 ignored multiple internal red flags on its India operations. Well, according to sources, Facebook's global team responsible for reviewing hate speech had faced cost cuts amid a spike in inflammatory and divisive content. In his letter to Zuckerberg, Congress social media department head Rohan Gupta drew his attention to what he called apparent and evident bias that your company has shown in our country towards the ruling dispensation despite their proclivity for sharing hate speech, misinformation, fake news and inflammatory content on their platform. He also said over the last 2 years an abundance of evidence has been released that points to the negligence of your company in controlling this hate speech and deliberately ignoring internal documents raising concerns over the same issues. Not only have your employees pointed out that the AI your platform uses is not adequate to identify vernacular languages, but in addition, your team here has failed to even set up basic keyword detection for problematic content. Gupta said Facebook's cost-cutting approach towards the hate review led to a drastic and rapid increase in such content over the last 2 years. Addressing a press conference with Gupta, Congress Technology and Data Cell Chairman Praveen Chakravarti reiterated the party's demand for a joint parliamentary committee probe into Facebook India's conduct. The Parliamentary Standing Committee, he said, must summon Facebook and other executives to investigate this, and laws must be legislated to restrict Facebook and WhatsApp in India. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.